Alright, ICT traders, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be very brief and straightforward. I will be explaining ICT 2022 sell model. I've already made the first video to this, that is explaining the buy model. It's right here on my YouTube channel. This video was requested by so many of you guys, and I've promised in the first video that I will be making the sell model differently. So let's go into the video. So the sell model is basically the exact opposite of what is happening in the buy model. And when you hear about this sell model, is basically the checklist that shows you that price is about to go bearish. That's basically what it means. And for you to be able to use this properly, you must understand three things. That is, you must understand order flow, directional bias, and some of the institutional reference point I'm about to show you right here. And it's pretty much easy to do this. You can use this information to trade long term, and you can use it to trade in short term. All right, so you can actually see there's something I explained in the first video about buyers and sellers territory. All right, it's basically looking out for where the sell is going to start and where the buy is going to start. Okay, so price comes to this area and you have this shift in market structure, even though this one is a failed, this one shift in market structure right there. Price came back into this area, price failed you. All right, you must have been thinking this area is basically where I'm going to put my stop loss, but you were stopped out right here. Okay, and it's okay with trading. This is one thing I will never hide from you. It's okay to have a losing trade. It is okay to have a losing trade. Even the most professionals out there have a losing trade here and there, and that is okay. You have to start becoming comfortable with a losing trade. All right, but look at this one. Price came back again, had this movement, then have a shift in market structure again. Another chance for you to have a trade right here. All right, so what I explained right there is that you must be able to understand where the movement ends. You need a mixture of a shift in market structure, okay, or what other people call church, that is change of character. All right, and then return into an institutional reference point, which can be majorly fair value gaps. All right, majorly fair value gaps. That's what the ICT 2022 model explains. Okay, but it's not that very rigid that you cannot tweak it. If you see any confluence, like you can see, this is a breaker block right above here, and this is a little bit of, these are the things you look out for. In order to become a professional, you must look out for the things that work for you. All right, even ICT himself says that there are so many things he taught. You look for the ones that works for you and you work with it. So you wait for the end of the trend, and the end of the trend is majorly identified by seeing a shift in market structure. When you see price coming up like this, you want to pay attention to the higher low. In the other video I explained lower high, but this time around is the higher low you're going to pay attention to. The last higher low that price is going to violate is what you need. If price violates this, coming back to a fair value gap, that is your entry. Okay, a fair value gap anywhere here at premium, preferably at premium. The ones at discount when you're going bearish doesn't give you the best type of trade. So please get to understand this, and you will always have the best trade you will need to have. All right, so look at this. Price had a shift in market structure coming back to this area. That is the sell model. Okay, you can use this information to trade long time. You can use it to trade even in a short term. So you see the trend is beginning. Most positional traders use this. If a trend is ending, you can use this technical knowledge to take your trade. So the movement, it's moving in that direction. And the same thing happens when price is about to change direction, shift in market structure, return to a fair value gap and pushing up. That is the buy model. All right, just a very brief one. I'm just trying to explain these things to you so you can have the basic understanding of that. Okay, price coming up from here, shift in market structure, having a short-term uptrend. Here, look at this. Another shift in market structure to the downside. This is the most interesting one that we're looking for. Inducement above here and price reaching out for this area. Fair value gap above there and the beginning of the downtrend. All right. So these are the things you look out for. I don't want to go into explaining some of these basic things that I have already explained already. Okay. Price coming back. Inducement above here. These are knowledge that you need to have. If you are starting out with ICT concept, guys, you will need to start from here, my other YouTube channel where I'm explaining ICT from beginning. You can come over here, watch all the videos. I'm arranging them in detail. That is arranging them from the beginner, intermediate and advanced level. We are still in the beginner level That is the ICT core basics, the things you need to know. I will be making more videos to update it. So make sure you check the link to this YouTube channel in the description of this video and subscribe right here. Okay, so let's get back to that. So coming back to this, we are looking for sell model. The things you need is understand your order flow. Let me just write it here. Understand, number one, your order flow. Okay, that is the bias. Secondly, shift in market structure shift. And then thirdly, your return to institutional reference point, return to institutional reference point, ref point. So you can look out for this, and then your entry. These are the things you look out for. Very brief one, and it's straightforward. Okay, you look out for what is happening buyers and sellers territory. This is buyers territory, shift in market structure, price coming back, boom, you sell. All right, please look at these things very carefully. Shift in market structure, price coming back, boom, you sell. That is just the concept of this. Okay, coming to this area. Okay, let me show you this. Is this a shift in market structure? This one. Is this a shift in market structure right there? I know you will answer the question. Somebody will say yes, somebody will say no. This is not a shift in market structure right here. It's not a shift in market structure. The shift in market structure happened right here, somewhere around here. Okay, can you see this push, a little bit of push out here? This was where the shift in market structure happened at this point, because this low is still very important. All right, it's just the weak body is important, and then the bodies of the candle didn't close here. It peaked liquidity above here and then crashing down. Price is coming back. Look, notice how price came back to this area, this small fair value gap, even though it is not at premium, but it's confluencing with this mitigation block. And that is the beautiful part of it. When you see this kind of confluence, even from PD-ARRAY, mitigation block is respected before any other institutional reference point. Okay, this mitigation block right there. And that mitigation block is, let's see, if we are considering premium and discount area is from here to here. Okay, it's still at half is at the premium, half is at discount. But looking at this movement, this area is important, fair value gap, and it has a mitigation block. This is a mitigation block M with a failure swing. All right, just showing you some of these things briefly. They are not that very rigid, guys. All right, looking at this price coming up, going up, going up, going up. Where is your shift in market structure? I wouldn't want to consider this as my shift in market structure, guys. I don't know, but I don't want to consider it. I want to pay attention to this place. Shift in market structure, price coming back, fell to reach my fair value gap up here. Okay, and that is where patience come in handy. Fair value gap up here to where? To, okay, this is the fair value gap. Failure to reach it, failure to reach it, relative equal highs. Just know that inducement is about to happen. Inducement, boom, it crashed. So you're going to see these things happen time and again. Okay, you're going to see it happen time and again. Okay, shift in market structure right here. Shift in market structure right here. Let me adjust it correctly. Shift in market structure. You look at this very big fair value gap. And I told you some times back, I told you that if you see a very big fair value gap, the consequent encouragement, 50% of it is the most important area price is interested in. Okay, 50% of it, and price is actually coming back to 50% of it. Boom, coming down. Okay, so guys, this is all about this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. I will be there to answer and do my best to respond to you. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.